Hi, today I'm going to talk about nothing. Nothing is a word you use when, for example, someone is asking you what you're doing and you're just sitting and relaxing or something, and that's kind of like you're doing nothing. Then you can say, "I'm doing nothing," or if someone things that you have done had did any something stupid or wrong, and they ask like what have you done to this or that or anything, and then you say nothing. So that is two things you can use, two sentences you can use the word nothing in, and hope you I hope you could use it. And if you could find some other sentence where you use the word nothing, then
Nothing.
yeah, then do nothing. Bye.